love helping startups because people are passionate about their idea and they're trying to bring it to life. And so I love being a component of that. With startups, there's a lot of considerations. Some are legal, some are more finance related, but there's just a whole lot, and we really try to help connect the dots on all these pieces. For example, LLC, probably the most common entity of choice for a number of reasons. It's really easy to work with, relatively cheap to start. And what I particularly love is that it's really flexible. So you can draft the agreement pretty much any way you want to reflect the owner's wishes. So there's a couple of different documents that you have to have. One's required by the Secretary of State, your articles of organization. That's going to go on record with the state. It's public information, so everybody sees it. The other, which is equally important, if not greater than, is the operating agreement. And that's really the contract that exists between the member owners of the LLC. Now, a lot of people overlook this critical step, the operating agreement, because it's not required by the Secretary of State. So they think it's not mandatory, but it's absolutely mandatory because, just like a lot of things, what happens in the event of a dispute or uncertainty? Well, that's when litigation arises. So what we try to do is we work through different scenarios the businesses face, such as growth and transition, raising capital, having an owner exit, any of these number of scenarios. We work through that ahead of time. We try to talk through these issues while everybody's still on good terms, and then we put it in contract, and then it binds the owners.